This is Patrick White with your Tuesday, July 21st morning market update. At 7:20 a.m. here, we've got outside markets higher. The September S&P is up 25 points at 3270 and a quarter. The September Dow is up 191 points at 26,825. Stock market is seeing some fresh buying here this morning as the EU reached a deal on a pandemic rescue fund here overnight. Tech stocks are still leading the rally higher with the Nasdaq leading. Yesterday, the S&P 500 was able to break into new high ground and rocket above that previous resistance at 3,233 handle area yesterday. Traders are now going to be targeting that 33.27 and a quarter gap level, and that gap has been left open since this whole pandemic hit the U.S. last February, and that was basically the beginning of the slide. So, grain markets here are mostly overnight. We've got corn down 3.25 cents here in the December contract at 332.5. Novi beans are down 6.75 at 893 and a quarter. Corn is seeing some additional selling here on Tuesday. Yesterday afternoon, the USDA reported the corn crop condition ratings at 69% good to excellent, and that was unchanged, and that was 1 point more than expected at 68%. This sparked some selling here overnight, and traders are watching that 330 level in the December contract today, as that has been some support and been the low for the move so far at 330 and a half. Traders have been stuck below the 340 level ever since the rainfall forecast turned a lot more bearish and a lot more beneficial for the crop. So, upside is limited to 340, and the downside would be 330. If we break that, it's going to look pretty tough technically, especially for the corn market. So, soybeans are also lower here, like the corn market on Tuesday. Yesterday afternoon, the USDA did report the U.S. soybean crop at 69% good to excellent, up 1%. And that was versus the 67% expected by traders. That was a 1% drop that was expected. Traders are electing to liquidate some here as the weather is beginning to outweigh the stronger demand that we have seen from China, at least in the short term. We did see 2 cargoes of beans sold to China here yesterday, but that's not going to make a market. It's just over 4 million bushels, so not a huge deal there. We'd have to see some much larger purchases to matter a lot more for the market. So that's all I've got for today. I wish it was a little better news, but still have a productive day out there. Remember that there is significant risk in trading futures and options, and it is not suitable for all investors. For more information on commodity markets, give me a call at 712-262-7606.